Hey guys, this is Pine. Today I'm gonna review 1992 Toyota Mark II. This is what is it called? JZX90 with the 1JZGE engine. This car just recently imported from Japan. It is already has a coin cover. As you can see, it has a 18 inches wheel already. And I believe this is a Blitz technospeed wheel. This is very nice wheel, and the car is super clean. As you can see, this car is really nice and clean. Even though it is 1992, I mean basically it was, I would say 1993 model, but came out in 1992. It had some paint, a little bit of paint issue here at the bottom. Beside that, there's no scratch or dent or anything. It has a beautiful color. You can see it is kind of like a white silver. I would say it just a little bit of gray there too. So this is the highest grade, the Grande G 2.5. It is rear wheel drive, and it is very nice sports sedan. And you can see here, the wheel is really nice and shiny with no scrap or anything. And it has a tinted window in the back. It has all power. Everything's look nice and clean. The headlight is a little bit of yellowish, but it's not that uncommon. It's more than 28 years old car, I would say. And it has aftermarket headlights. Not headlights. The fog lights. They delete the Mark II logo from the front. And here, this is just the JDM. I would say parking light or night light. It was pretty cool. I'll show you inside, and also I will start up and show the engine as well. Alright, let's go inside first. It has an aftermarket steering wheel. It is really nice. Really nice wooden wheel. Let me remove the key. So inside was super clean. There's no rip or anything. Even you see the floor mat. It's like a house carpet, thick floor mat. It has a power seat here. It's automatic. I believe it's 4-speed automatic. And there is, well, the previous owner removed the CD player. Anyway, there's those CD player. The factory CD players are not that good anyway, so I think you'll be ready to put on double DIN, MP3 CD or Bluetooth or Apple CarPlay. It's ready. So this is the I would say this is pretty nice. I like that one a lot. And yeah, like I said, like inside is really clean. There's a digital dashboard, very cool. And let me show you in the back. So back seat is really nice and clean as well. There's nothing broken or anything. Everything is working as it should be. The floor mat has a Mark II logo on it. That's a very nice touch. And here's the inside. Super nice and clean. Let me show you the trunk. It is really clean inside. It has a map of Japanese. So It's a map of Japan here. And let me open the hood for you. We have the sunshade here. And this is a sign that it was recently did a white change. So this is a 2.5 I believe inline 6 1JZXE engine. It is non-turbo version, but it's very clean and very nice. And here it has the date and the mileage for the last time they replaced the timing belt. So this one is already replaced timing belt, and it is pretty well maintained car. Let's start the car, shall we? And this is a key, and it has a key fob with the on and off button here. All right. Let's get this started. It wasn't flickering outside, but the lights showing it's like flicker. It is like it's like a 3D looking inside. That was pretty cool. And oh, it has an air purifier for the back too. See this? And automatic climate control. And this is a glove box. And the nice thing, it has a carpet here too. So this is a glove box with the mounting bracket and everything for your CD players. And this is really nice car. It's with this really strong engine. See, there's no rust or anything underneath. It is very clean car. So this one is on sale. Let me know if you guys want to come and test drive, or if you guys want to see a more. I'm from Houston, and I'm the JDM importer. And I'll have more car in the future also. I'll have more JZX and Mark II. Alright, thank you guys.